Hello Internet, welcome to another video. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe not to miss our next videos. In 1988, for the first time, the whole city center of a city classified as a World Heritage Site by Unesco. It shows how amazing can a city be, right? So don't miss today's video, especially the second part, which we are going to visit the city of Strasbourg. Stay with us, let's see it together. Now we are in Offenburg. Instead of going directly to Strasbourg, we decided to spend 2 or 3 hours maybe in Offenburg. It's not a big city, so yeah, I think 2 or 3 hours is going to be enough. Let's see Offenburg. Yeah. The city of Offenburg, with its 60,000 inhabitants, is located 25 kilometers east of Strasbourg and borders on the Rhine Valley and Black Forest. When we arrived there, it was Saturday, and the first thing that attracted us was Offenburger weekly market. You can choose freshly harvested products like fruits, vegetables, flowers, or even cheese, meat, and sausage with pleasure from local suppliers, and end your visit in one of the many cozy street cafes while enjoying the view of beautiful architecture in the old town of Offenburg. So if you want to visit Strasbourg and by any chance it was Saturday, don't miss the chance of visiting Offenburg and especially the Offenburger weekly market. After visiting the old town and having our breakfast, we decided to visit the river which we found on the map. The view of the Kinzish River was beautiful, but unfortunately it was a super tiny river and you could not find any restaurant near it. In our way back to Offenburg Central Station, we went through Svinge Park, which goes back to 1899 and has a really calm atmosphere. You can also see the city wall in this park. Sit back and relax, let's visit Strasbourg. As you see, the water has two different levels in this canal. The boat has to enter the middle part. After that, the door will be closed. They will pump the water in this middle part and the water level will come up. And then they will open the second door and the boat can continue its path. No visit to Strasbourg would be complete without a visit to the Cathedral de Notre Dame. It's almost impossible not to be impressed by this masterpiece. With 142 meters, it was the tallest man-made structure in the whole world for over 250 years.
Johnny went out walking, he hitched for a ride. He came across a pretty girl who took him inside. And Johnny asked the pretty girl if he could take her hand. She became his wife and they bought a piece of land. Well, they raised up a family and they raised up the wood. They built their first cottage and it held like it should. Well, Johnny told the pretty girl, darling, I love you so. She looked back at Johnny and said, Johnny boy, I know.
fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
So here is Offenburg at night. Actually, it's not that late, that much late. It's just 9 o'clock. Now we can go. You cannot see any cars in the street. Yeah, we hope we can find maybe some, I don't know, bar or cafe or restaurant. I'm not sure about it.
Konzert mit Bodo Meier am